A big question. What responsibility do you guys think Muslim youth have in the community? Yeah?
Good role model and having respect in the community.
Yeah, being a role model. And this makes people want to come to Islam, right?
Yeah.
It motivates them to learn more about Islam and come towards Islam as well. Yeah?
Tell people.
Tell people more about Islam.
Like, you should help people.
Help people. Yeah, you should help people, and it shows how kind Muslim people really are. Yeah?
They should read the Quran and pray Salah on time, and they should like be a good role model for others.
Yeah, you should be a good role model for others. Pray your Salah, read Quran, and this makes other people want to come towards Islam.
Seeing improvement in yourself, it can build your confidence.
Yeah, that can motivate you to go further and keep trying every single day. Yeah. And what is the difference between confidence and arrogance?
Confidence is like what you should do and what you can do, what you're able to do, and arrogance is when you forget something and you. Like for example, like as it says there, like knowing your worth and what you can do is your confidence, and what if you forget something, like Allah, that is arrogance.
Yes, that's correct. Yep. Anyone else? No? How can good character make you a better leader or a role model? No one else? Yeah.
People will trust you and they will come respect you.
Okay, good. They will trust you more, they will respect you. Yeah.
Like people will want to follow you as a role model, as they would like what you do, and they would do the same, which is good for them.
Yep, that's true as well. Yep.
People will acknowledge you. They'll know like, oh, this person is trustworthy.
Yes.
And they'll follow you if you're doing the right.
Yeah, so it's mostly the same answers and they all align with each other. So it's about being a good role model, respect, trustworthy, etc. So
Identity means to you who you are, what type of person you are, and what character you hold.
exactly, what character you hold, what type of person you are.
Like what you should do as a Muslim, and what you should do as a Muslim, and you should know what to do, like praying on time,
Yeah.
reading the Quran, and etc.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah, good. So prayers, if you can, do the sunnah prayers as well, and then do extra if you are able to. But also you have to make sure that you have good friends around you. Your friends influence you. Like I said last time, you are some of the people that you are around. So it's best to surround yourself with very good people so you can become like them as well. You have to ask questions when you're unsure and focus on pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever you do something, whether private or public, make sure you're thinking, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is looking at you, is he going to be proud of you? Is this going to be good or bad for me on the day of judgment or not?